Pre-dance is what our studio refers to as our 3 to 5 year olds. Every studio calls this age group a different name, but that's just what our studio refers to them as. There are a lot of steps that we use in this age group, but there's a lot more to it than just steps and footwork. These kids are learning how to share, use props, how to take turns, how to understand space and different shapes, and they're forever learning and growing. And it's really fun and cool to be able to see how they change and the dynamics that they learn throughout this age group. I will see you tomorrow as we dive a little further into what pre dance entails. I will see you then.